आप जानते हैं कि कंपाउंड्स किस प्रकार से एलिमेंट्स से डिफरेंट होते हैं? इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू? क्या एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड्स कुछ अलग हैं? क्या हम जानते हैं कि किस तरह के इनके फॉर्मूले, स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला किस आधार पे बनता है? इज देयर एनी फिक्स्ड स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला फॉर देम? what the basic structural unit of a compound is known as? इसकी बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट जो होती है कंपाउंड की, उसको हम कहते क्या हैं? Formation of compound is what? Chemical change or physical change? All these are the questions which come to our mind when we go through the word compounds. जब भी हम compound की बात करते हैं, हमारे सामने कुछ इस तरह के प्रश्न आने लगते हैं and we need to know about them. So let us try to unfold the answers of these questions in this session, and before that we are going to have a relook of our previous session. So welcome to Aakar chemistry classes. We are going through a series of sessions for the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? So let us try to have a relook first, and then we'll go for the topic of compounds. Okay. So during the relook, let us try to understand what we have done till now. We have seen that matter can be classified into two parts on the basis of chemical composition. Okay. It is in two parts is what? Pure substances and mixtures. Now further, pure substances also could be divided into two parts, that is elements and compounds. We have understood that elements are made up of only one kind of atoms, and each element is made up of one kind of atom, and atom is the indivisible particle. It is the smallest indivisible particle in the universe with which all the substances are made up of. Okay. Now elements further could be divided into three parts. There are three types of elements: metals, non-metals and metalloids. So we have seen the properties also of these three cases, and we have finished till metalloids, till all the three classifications of elements. Now in today's session we are going to come up with a lecture of compounds. So let us try to get the answers of the questions which we have gone through in the starting of the session. So let's ready to understand compounds. Okay, so this is our session number 8. Okay, and our very first question is that what are compounds? Let's try to understand what do you mean by compound. Okay, so actually compound is a chemical substance. Compound is a chemical substance, or you can say a substance. Okay, a chemical substance. What else is there in it? Secondly, it is made up of two or more kinds of elements. More kinds of elements. It is made up of two or more kinds of elements, and these elements are these two or more kinds of elements. They are combined together. ये जुड़े होते हैं. They are combined together in a fixed ratio. In a fixed ratio or proportion. In a fixed ratio. In a fixed proportion by mass. Okay. क्या मतलब हुआ कि जो एक इस तरह का केमिकल सब्सटेंस, a type of, you can say a type of chemical substance or a chemical substance which is made up of two or more kinds of elements, and these elements are combined together in a fixed proportion by mass. Okay, now let us understand this definition by an example. Say you are having an example of H2O. Okay, let us try to understand how many elements are there in this first of all. Okay, so elements in H2O are 2. Can you see? 2 elements are there. H2O is having 2 elements. One is hydrogen element, and the second one is ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट. ठीक है, इसमें दो जो एलिमेंट्स पाए गए हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं, पाए जाते हैं वो कौन से हैं? एक है हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट और दूसरा है ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट. ठीक है, अब ये जो हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट है इसके कितने एटम्स इसमें इंक्लूडेड हैं? सो 2 एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. हाउ मेनी एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन? 2 एटम्स ऑफ hydrogen, and here only one atom of oxygen. Okay, Now these are attached, these are combined in fixed ratio of 1:8. These are combined in fixed ratio of 1:8 to create water. Water is a compound. Water क्या है? एक compound है. It is a chemical substance and it is a chemical compound. It is a chemical substance which is made up of टू टाइप्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. यहाँ पे दो तरह के एलिमेंट्स इसमें इंक्लूडेड होते हैं कंपाउंड फॉर्म करने के लिए. वाटर जैसा मतलब पानी बनाने के लिए हमें दो एलिमेंट्स की ज़रूरत होती है, जिसमें से एक हाइड्रोजन है, दूसरा ऑक्सीजन है. अब हाइड्रोजन की क्वांटिटी कितनी रहती है? दो एटम, जब दो एटम हाइड्रोजन के और एक एटम ऑक्सीजन का बाय मास, यानी इनकी एटॉमिक मास यूनिट के अकॉर्डिंग ये फिक्स्ड रेशियोज में 1:8 के फिक्स्ड रेशियोज में अगर कंबाइन होते हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल क्रिएट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हाउ दे आर फॉर्मिंग 1:8 रेशियो. नाउ यू हैव seen here two atoms of hydrogen are there. Now atomic mass unit of hydrogen is what? Atomic mass of one hydrogen atom. It is what? One atomic unit. Okay, so let me write it as 1 unit. So if we are talking about two hydrogens, it means what it will be? Atomic mass of two hydrogens will be 2 units. है ना? 2 यूनिट्स. 1 + 1 2, राइट? 1 + 1 2 होता है, 2 होता है. तो अटोमिक मास ऑफ 1 हाइड्रोजन इज 1 यूनिट, बट अटोमिक मास ऑफ 2 हाइड्रोजन्स विल बी 2 यूनिट्स. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द अटोमिक मास ऑफ 1 ऑक्सीजन एटम? एक ऑक्सीजन एटम का अटोमिक मास 16 यूनिट्स होता है. Okay, now when we are saying that H2O is there, it means HHO. It is combining in this way, right? It means that two units of hydrogen are there and one atomic unit of oxygen is there. It means that you are having 2 is 2 and this is 16. Okay, 1 + 1 2, 2 is to 16 because 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So if we are going to consider the ratio by weight, you will get it as, this will cancel out and it will be 1:8. So whenever we are going to consider about, whenever we want to see the chemical composition of water, we will see that every time we are taking it from anywhere in the world, the composition of water is always made up of 1:8 ratio of hydrogen and oxygen. ओके क्या मतलब हुआ कि जब भी हम वाटर का कोई भी कॉम्पोजिशन जब भी हम चेक करने जाते हैं वाटर का, तो हमें उसमें हमेशा ही वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स जो है, यानी ये H2O जो क्रिएट हुआ है, दिस इज नोन एज मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर. व्हाट इज इट? मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर. दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट. ये स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है, यूनिट ऑफ कंपाउंड. और किसी एक तरह का यूनिट, स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ अ कंपाउंड. I'm not saying that H2O is the smallest unit of compound. Since it is compound, which compound here? Water. We are talking about water, so this one is the smallest unit. This molecule is the smallest unit of water. This compound. When we are talking about water, it means whatever is the compound is formed, the smallest unit will be its molecular structural formula. तो यहाँ पे जो मॉलिक्यूल है वो क्या है? वाटर का मॉलिक्यूल जो क्रिएट हो रहा है वो है H2O. और H2O किस रेशियो में क्रिएट हो रहा है? 1:8 के रेशियो में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है और 1 एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन है, जिसके अगर एटॉमिक मासेस हम चेक करते हैं तो 1 एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन हैज़ 1 unit of mass, and if we are considering 2 hydrogen atoms, then it will become 2 units, and if we consider 1 oxygen, then 1 oxygen atom has 16 units of mass. Okay, 16 इसका जो atomic mass unit हम जब चेक करेंगे तो 16 आएगा. और ये 2:16 के रेशियो में जब हमने इसको चेक किया तो 2:16 का रेशियो क्रिएट हो रहा है और 2:16 अल्टीमेटली इज गिविंग यू 1:8. सो दिस इज the compound. This is compound. What is happening in compound? That 2 or more elements are combining together to form a structure. Okay, and that structure is going to create compound. Okay, and that structure is always in a fixed ratio. जो भी स्ट्रक्चर हमारा क्रिएट हो रहा है दैट इज ऑलवेज इन अ फिक्स्ड रेशियो बाय मास के अकॉर्डिंग. Okay, so this is all about your compound, and we are now going to check the properties of a compound. What are the properties of a compound? ठीक है, this will be in, we are going to discuss it in the next session, and till then take care, goodbye.